we black people, we are our own racist. I am not taking away from what white people did us and did to our ancestors and one and two persons who are currently experiencing racism from other ethnic groups. But from where I stand, we hate ourselves. We hate our skin color. We still kiss the white man's ass and the Chinaman's ass. So I am now thinking of what to compare the treatment that we are receiving from our Caribbean brothers and sisters when Jamaicans show up on their shores.
Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So guys, I want us to watch this video of a Caribbean man who came out loud and sent a warning to other Caribbean country, other people from other Caribbean who are showing racism to black people, like who are showing racism to other Caribbean land. Like this Caribbean land have become, they are showing some racism and they are not treating the black people well. They don't want other Caribbean island to come to their land. So guys, watch this video till the end. I'll be back with some comment.
So gone are the days when someone is treated less than a human. We would compare them to a dog. We'd say, boy, you know, we're being treated like dogs. But those days are gone, because today dogs are treated better than human beings. So I am now thinking of what to compare the treatment that we are receiving from our Caribbean brothers and sisters when Jamaicans show up on their shores. So I'll use one adjective: shit. We are treated like filth. Our foreign minister, Kamina Johnson-Smith, you're the worst. Yep. Our tourism minister, Ed Bartlett, tourism only benefits you and your friends and the prime minister. The prime minister only represents himself and his friends. Jamaicans have been going through hell when travel to another Caribbean country. True. It's not the entire country that treats Jamaicans bad, but it's those who are higher up, the government and the sophisticated ones, who wants nothing to do with us. They like our food. They love our music. They like when we entertain them. But that's as far as it goes. And I remember history takes us back where our slave masters would send for the best fighting slaves, the best dancing slaves, and bring them into the house when they would have had their other white guests over and have us entertain them. We were nothing but entertainment. I know a lot of people think that Donald Trump is a racist. That's what black people, that's what is being hurled out of the mouths of Jamaicans and other Caribbean nationals. But you know something? I've been to the United States of America and I've been to Canada. I've also been to Mexico, Belize, which is a part of the Caribbean country. I've traveled. I've been to the Cayman Islands, the Bahamas, and a number of places. I've never been treated bad in the US or Canada. And I had white people dealing with me. I think that as black people, we are our own racists. And one might ask, what's the basis of your video now? I was on a flight yesterday. I will not call the name of the country, but I flew to a particular Caribbean island. One that I have frequent throughout my life. And one where I have witnessed several things happen, not just here, but on the other Caribbean islands, just like this one. The other Caribbean islands, majority of the Caribbean islands, when Jamaicans show up, it's a whole different ball game. The facial expression changes. There's no warmth. There's no polite greeting. We're ostracized. We're abused. We're taken for granted. We're treated like common criminals. I watched a young lady yesterday who was on the flight who was very excited about her trip to a particular Caribbean country, who never got the chance to collect her luggage because, of course, although she had her hotel booking, she was viewed, and this is my interpretation from years of traveling and from talking to persons who have been sent back home, what really happened and the questions that were hurled at them and the conclusion that were drawn. So I'm going to use those cases to basically judge or come to a conclusion about the one yesterday. The young lady was her first time traveling, and she had proof to stay at her hotel. She was denied entry. But I watched the white people who flew in every time I travel. It's the same thing. Welcome, enjoy your stay, welcome to the white people. But the moment the Caribbean airline plane touched down, everybody get their dogs, their sniffers, everybody get extra people to search our luggages. They do every god thing to undermine and to turn you off. We're entitled to 6 months in every Caribbean country that's a part of the Commonwealth. We're entitled to 6 months by law. But instead, you're only given 2 weeks in some of the Caribbean countries. It's not easy when a young lady who probably work minimum wage in Jamaica save up her money to buy a ticket that's almost $700 US, which in order for her to save that, she would have to wait. She would have to wait an average of 8 weeks to reach $800, because it's $15,000 in Jamaica for minimum wage per week. And 15,000 is almost 100 US. So on an average, for you to buy a ticket as a minimum wage person, for you to buy a ticket that's almost $700, you'd have to work an average of 7 weeks without paying nothing but just saving that. So just work with me. What's the picture that I'm painting? You work that hard, save up your money, book your hotel for a vacation in the Caribbean countries, only to be denied entry because you're Jamaican. You're a young girl with a nice backside, nice hips. So it's possible that you're coming here to prostitute yourself. And we will not have that in our country. You were not found with drugs, which would have been the other instance why you cannot enter. You were not arrested. You were just turned back because we're not seeing enough cash on you You don't have enough cash. Although you have your Visa debit card, and cash is now becoming obsolete, a thing of the past. We, black people, we are our own racists. I am not taking away from what white people did us and did to our ancestors, and 1 and 2 persons who are currently experiencing racism from other ethnic groups. But from where I stand, we hate ourselves. We hate our skin color. We still kiss the white man's ass and the Chinaman's ass, and we spit on our black brothers and sisters still. We hate ourselves so much that we bleach the living color, the living melanin out of our skin. We are our own racists. We hate ourselves so much that we hide on the fake hair, hide our natural beauty. But that's for another topic. It is time we stop treating each other like that, and for our foreign ministers to represent those of us who are constantly being robbed, raped, ostracized by our Caribbean brothers and sisters. I'll say nothing more to that.
Why Jamaicans wicked to them one another, but not to foreigner? Guys, I forgot to tell you that the other day when I was coming back up, I was at Mobay Airport. It was my very first time traveling through Mobay, and my luggage was overweight. My check-in luggage was overweight, right? So I'm not fight it. I'm go up on the phone because I was bringing stuff for people as well. I let them know, so listen, this overweight, say I've got to help me pay the something. Fine. While I was on the phone, the girl never realized, say, but it's like, I hear them. But up on the phone, but you know, I listen at the same time. And our co-worker said to her, said, just make sure go through. Just make sure go through. And she did say to her, soft, you know. The girl load her up. No, I'm not make sure go through because she overweight, she must pay. Fine, but it feel away, but I say, alright, you know what, the girl just do her job, I not fight it. But one white man come right after that, and he was to pay for something. And she tell him, say, it's okay, I'll let you go through. So he must go through. The man must go through. And me, a fellow Jamaican, not go through. My son, no. And to top it off, what I found weird was that she asked me, is a visa you have or a green card? Nobody has ever asked me that before. Like, if you have my passport, you will see what I have. So, but they find out weird. Find my answer. And she do whatever up on the computer. Can I see your vaccination card, please? You need to be vaccinated to come to the US. So I said to her, I did this online already and it was approved because you can do the thing online before you got airport, so you don't have to go through all of that. I did it when I went to Panama. I was going back to the US and I didn't have any issues. So I said to her, I did it online. It was approved. I know, I see it, but I still want to check it. I said, girl, what you try do? What you really try do?
Hey, yo, what I want to know is, where all of these other Caribbean countries get so mad when Jamaican name get called? Why they get so mad, brother? And what we do them? I we know, so we know yet none of the Caribbean them, none of them. All of we are brother and sister same way. We know you have no yet for none of them. We love the Trinity people same way. Barbados, we love the Barbados people. We love everybody. We love everybody. But most of them Caribbean countries hate Jamaicans. Me not lie, they have a hate for Jamaicans. What is it? Is it because we are the capital of the blood clot world? Is that the reason? Is it because we are Bob? We are Nanny? Is it me I say? We are Marcus Garvey? We are Usain Bolt? Is that the reason? Why not yet with so, brother? Why not yet with so? I we say curry chicken and I want to say chicken curry. So why not yet?
And for the rest of people, who talking about? Oh, this happened to Jamaica. Jamaicans them too wicked. A Jamaica alone wickedness there. A Jamaicans alone kill people. Eh? A Jamaica alone murder rate high. I want to go to Jamaica so we are more wickedness than anywhere else in the world. A Jamaica alone wicked? A Jamaicans alone wicked? Eh? So, let me tell you something. Wickedness there everywhere. And every dog have them there. Disaster go everywhere. And the funniest thing about it, Jamaicans don't rejoice over people when they have disasters. Jamaicans help. Jamaicans volunteer to go and help. And this is what y'all need to talk. Listen. I know y'all hate, some of y'all hate Jamaicans, you know. And some of the Jamaicans y'all hate don't even do you nothing. And this is what you can talk. Y'all fuck off. Fuck off and take Jamaica all out y'all mouth. Pussy wall.
So guys, I hope that you have watched the video and you have seen that. It's a big surprise that there is resist in us black people, you know. We as black people, we are being known for loving each other and for caring for each other, but I've really been saddened because I've heard that us black people, we are racist, and that is true because guys, you see here, like many black, like us black people, like we see the white people like they are king, like they deserve a lot. Even here where I live, like people, there is this way they handle the white people, like they respect them a lot, like they are going to give them everything, even they are buying things to the white people, you know. We as black people, like we are not buying things, like we are not shopping to our brothers and sisters, the black people. We are going to buy things to these white people. We are showing racism, you know. Some people, even it's approved, you know, these rich people, like the black rich people, like there's this way they handle the other one, the middle class and the poor one, you know. They are handling them with the racism. There is this way that they are speaking to them with attitude, you know. So it is very sad. We as black people, we need to be united. We don't need to be having racism. I've seen in this video that other Caribbean land are feeling bad because Jamaican is the one that is being known, like they feel bad because Jamaican is the one that is being appreciated. You know, Jamaican is a big brand and it has really marketed itself. So this other Caribbean land, they are feeling bad. They are not being recognized. So they are feeling bad towards Jamaica. You know, if a Jamaican goes to this other Caribbean land, you know, we have different Caribbean land, different. So they treat him, when they heard or they hear that this guy is from Jamaica, they feel so bad because they know Jamaican has really outshadowed them. They feel like their country has no say. Jamaican has already taken all over the internet. You know, Jamaican has brought many things to this world. It's being known for the best music, you know. It produced Bob Marley. The reggae music originated from Jamaica. Jamaica is being known for breaking a lot of records in the track and field. Jamaican has bring the world Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world. You know, Jamaican has really done many things. You know. So the other Caribbean island, they feel bad because like many people, they only know Jamaica. Many Jamaican is being known for hosting a lot of visitors, guys. Many visitors, like they travel to Jamaica. Many socialite people, they travel to Jamaica. Many people, like they always speak about Jamaica. They always speak good things about Jamaica. Jamaican has spread good vibes. You know, when this Jamaica, they travel to other countries, guys, they always spread positive vibes. They spread their culture. They want people to know Jamaicans' way of life. So they spread their culture. So I think many people like Jamaican because of how they handle people, how they treat people, and that's why Jamaican will always be on top of the other Caribbean islands. So for those people, you know, these people who are hating on Jamaica, at least you should do something constructive, at least, so that you can know you can know your country. At least stop hating. You know, I've seen many random video of people comparing maybe Jamaica with the other Caribbean islands, but Jamaican is the only country that they become number one. Maybe they are comparing food, you know, you want to see, they are comparing Jamaican with many Caribbean islands, but Jamaican always become number one because Jamaican is a big brand and it will always be the first. So this Caribbean island, they should do something at least so that we can know them. And for the people who are racism, it is true, racism is still there, and it is very high. Even in this black nation, the rich, they always treat the poor very bad, like an option, like they use them. The black people, they always like slaves to these white people. When you see white people like in a black area, where black people are, you'll see how they react, how they'll treat him. They'll treat him very good. But when it comes to black people, to other black people, especially the rich one, they always treat them like they don't want, like with an attitude. So we as black people, we need to love each other. We need to care for each other. There is no need for racism. If you are buying things, at least buy for your fellow friend, your black people in this, so that you can help him. Stop going like you always buy for these white people. I know these white people maybe may having like quality things, but at least provide some support to our brothers and sisters. Yeah. So guys, I've been your host, Nelson Reaction. If it's your first time coming across my video, feel free to share, comment, and also don't forget to smash the like button. So guys, meet in the next video. One love.